Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband and our 2 daughters today, and we are heading into Middle New Hope to do, and we're heading into Bottom New Hope rather, to do food distribution. So please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video, you will be updated. Hi, Doreen. Alright guys, so hey, they lock up. Just want to use the opportunity to give a big shout out to all our donors who have made it possible for us to purchase these food items for distribution. They are expecting us, but I don't see anybody just yet. All right, so in just a moment. All right guys, so we are in Bottom New Hope like I said before, and today we are distributing. We want to distribute 25 packages because we have prepared 25, and I just want to say again thanks to all our camera, Marza.
Yeah, hi camera.
Just want to again say thank you to all our donors who have made it possible for us to be able to help 25 persons today. All right, and a special big up to as well to Sam for Meats in Christiana, Manchester. Mr. Lynn being the owner and operator, who have also donated to this cause. Big up to you, sir, and thank you so much. May God richly bless you. All right, everyone, so we're here and we are just waiting, and Trimel de here and Isabel de here and Marcel over there, so you're not going, you're not madman.
Give me walk with me back.
Where I carry bag for?
You know if I sick me I put there. I listen me go to school now, how many by year now?
Oh, what happened down at school yesterday?
They give you food stuff and something now.
Oh, they gave away food stuff at the school yesterday.
I want some food. Right now this man my house me put on. Let me don't put on.
So if I need to stand blowing up put on house at it.
Help us here with the money. I have to help.
Yeah, help other people.
Yes.
Oh, that's
you want help, you know?
yeah.
Help.
Yes.
It's matter about this man now who put on this man boy charge me $1,000.
Hey, Babu,
monkey money that.
So I don't see money.
Yeah.
I don't see it.
How much in charge you?
I don't see it.
In charge you 1,000 for put it on?
So yeah, give man no kind of money to pay him.
So how me work free and nobody not pay me.
We don't know if you work free.
Every man work free, man.
Do something for you now?
We do.
No, no want to do something for you.
Whatever.
Free, you want to do it.
Maybe these days, we are saying me try.
Can't go further and try.
Anyway you want to say me, like a cordon.
Me soon tell you.
Who may I talk to a cordon?
Me soon tell you.
So yeah, what is that sitting palm?
Fly chance.
Because I have evidence. Say you talk to me.
Okay.
If people say no, company will take no fish up. Yes.
Me love going out. Me love going out. Me want you to turn back. I'm going to get in the car.
Not true.
Yeah.
Alright.
I want to turn back. But me not turn back.
Come now. What make?
If they for that picture.
You're not feeling no video like just call it if it's bag on.
Come here.
Yes, yeah.
I'll turn on the back.
When help come at them, I get help.
Come.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We already have bag, you know, carry on.
Come to me. Can you first come?
One per household.
Oh, so if you bet you can feel that.
Who send you?
Shelly boy that.
Oh, here. Thanks. You're welcome, honey.
Once you go I carry, I go in here. So go I carry. Go on I carry.
Sharon, oh, go on. Come. You're welcome.
Yeah, you good do.
Yeah, man, bless you.
Everything good.
All right.
Me the main road.
I know exactly where you're there.
Okay.
So take for you and your daughter, we get fair.
Hi, girl. Well, you're on the bottom.
Get that one to your hand.
Miss Gata, you can't carry this heavy, you know.
Make Tilly carry it for you. Tilly, make him bring it.
What make me?
Heavy, you know, Miss Gata. Tilly can't help her. You heavy,
She
man.
can't carry it, man. Miss Gata, I'm going to time Miss Gata carry it.
Like a ladder.
Carry it.
In Changami. When you go to the can you will him?
Come like him, man. Come like him, man. We have one crutch. You have. He might have on the foot with a bandage. You can't say pan. Yes, sir.
Oh,
What go on, Aaron?
I took this one come back for
The money I share before you come back.
Chin!
Oh, God.
Come!
Who she said? Oh.
And this one you have to chin and the Chrissy.
Oh, Miss Rosang there? Miss Rosang there?
You know, down there, see my shop on there.
I wouldn't make too much chip, you know.
Come on, carry bag for you, lady.
Making the long one.
I said, see, let's go. Man, see, they said they are waiting up.
So I don't get going on.
Master Rago.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Where you do? Come, sir.
We soon call look for you.
You're welcome.
Yeah?
Yes.
I feel. No, I see him house.
I see him pot.
To the feet.
No, say that.
Here.
Them will come next time, you know. So them
When we come back.
One.
Doreen!
Doreen!
And then both here come till you done.
People are never want to live in me. What if you really? Me keep me as
You better take it for now because.
Take out the choppy. Take out the choppy mash navy. Miss Topsy. Ryan. How again?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't
Five,
trouble
what is
those. Here.
Yeah. Hello.
Here.
Want me like a friend?
Give
Go on.
Miss Doreen.
Nice.
This drop out of somebody, but we need more oofa.
Like I said, she can't come in.
Oh, Miss.
She can't do Miss Monica.
Miss Monica.
Remember Miss?
Oh. Huh?
Remember Miss Brown?
Yes, so
Yes, mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? 5, right, Marcel?
Alright. You was my hand in the bag.
Okay. Hi, Miss Rose, how are you? One may have left, one. That's, we have 5 left.
Miss Brown?
Yeah, Miss Brown there.
That's Miss Brown on the road.
Yeah.
Choppy there.
Oh, yeah, purse. Remember, we just say purse, you know?
So my purse it won't.
Me put it down. My purse is gone out from.
Alright.
I tell him about it last night, you know. My first man is when he come out.
Me don't, a 5 me have left and a 5 person. When we come back, When we come back.
So you come on in at
Miss, who you say? Me can't give Miss Olga one. Alright, but me can't give no more. Me have 4 leave for 4 persons here.
Say I'll present the president. We come here. We come here.
Jesus Savior. President, make you take so
I
long.
know that. When we come, you man sit down in the center.
Jesus.
Oh? Of you. Oh. Look like we have to go load the car trunk and come back.
Yeah.
So me only have 3 left and we are head round the road.
You don't have Chan and Beth. What say one? Punchline.
When you come back next time, yeah?
Daddy right.
It done.
We have to go buy something, get grum.
I just give him one of them. Give me, just make sure so we have for Miss Brown. Call him, see if he will come to you today.
Come, Daddy right.
If he will come, sometime he not come to you.
Daddy Raya.
Is your train? Take out that.
Chanzika and
Take out one.
we have Chanzika and
Me hear you.
Punchline.
Yeah.
You remember any of them? You have Punchline and you have
2 may have left. And the 2 are grown this so.
make
I forgot me. Yeah.
But you have like punch with it, see Punchline and the last time.
Okay.
And me see Chanzika.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
You understand me? So them the two small, so them all come call up say, we feed them same thing.
How do you give them feel? Can you sure say we get back?
Yeah, me can do it. So we have like Punchline and Chanzika.
Okay.
Mercy one. So thanks and respect and big up for yourself.
You're welcome. You're welcome and you're welcome. So thanks to the donors.
Lord bless me now.
Yes.
Brother,
Respect and make them.
you for a long time.
Me know say you love me. Me know say for a long time you love me, but you never give me a hug yet.
Oh my God, let me
I get hug and kiss.
Kiss, you know. I'll kiss me get.
Alright, so we're going to head round and Miss Brown.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Me say you couldn't even wait to ask me that. Me know.
Alright guys, so we are heading round by a lady by the name of Miss Brown. So we did do 25 packages and we only have 1 leave. We're trying to leave at least 5 for a number of persons that we know, but persons came and we just gave it to them. So when we come back, of course, we will have to give to those persons who did not get. I think we underestimated, and so we had 25 and in no time it's gone. So we only have 1 left and we're taking it to Miss Brown. Hi. All right. Yes guys, so the packages contained like 2 pounds flour, 2 pounds sugar, rice, cornmeal, sausage, tin mackerel, can't remember everything. Oats. Yeah, oats, Lasco, sugar, and there was some sardines, hot soup, tissue, yes. So next time we're trying to just make it feasible, you know, so that if somebody gets a bag, then at least they have like 3 nights or so dinner. But we're heading to Miss Brown right now. And once again, I have to say big up to all our donors. Thank you so much and may God richly bless you. And also, special thank you to Sam for Meats in Christiana, Manchester, who have donated to us. And we did do the shopping there and we were given a discount as well. So, many thanks. Hey. My. All right, so with the hair. Miss Brown, how you do?
I'm not too good.
Okay. Why? Which part you walk, Miss Brown?
You got your can come 9 months, sweetheart.
Must somewhere must they can't walk, man.
What's on Marley?
It's a goalie.
What's on Marley and dry up here? See?
Yeah. No, my yard. You might see your yard.
Slippery, you know.
Can't walk.
Whoa.
I'm back for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bully attack to. What's my phone, boy?
Marcel.
Come on, you can come in and separate this.
I know just know if you walk.
It's one stone right there, so.
Oh.
You even reach better than me.
Yeah.
You come to talk to Miss Brown.
Miss Brown. Yeah. See me I climb up here. Yeah. Walk
Come
on.
on, come on. Come on up already.
Oh, go lay the penny phone. Oh, so tell him you don't talk.
No, goalie, me I talk to one cameraman.
My phone, Bully.
So what go on, Miss Brown? How
You want me
things since the
suffer,
last
man?
time we come?
Suffer, man.
You suffer?
Yeah, man, the whole of the other way too. You can see all them.
Oh, okay. We can go in.
Yeah, man.
So you didn't manage to get any of the roof section fixed so you could at least sleep and so?
I mean, so remember the whole thing broke and I can't have to
Okay, straighten out the zinc them and use them back.
Some of them.
Some of them? Oh, okay. We're going to come back to you. You hear, Miss Brown?
Yeah.
We'll come back to you. How the chicken them? They still a rain?
Me got about only 18 me got.
Yes, them there. No, I didn't. May I look pan in there, so.
Oh, God. Them in here, sir.
You have to keep them inside the house?
Me don't have the cup to put them in, and then break it down, but me I go get place to put them.
So, Miss Brown, they want more zinc. You look like you managed to cover everything. They all right now?
What is it? Look on it. Yeah,
They're not good, and they're not good. No, fine. You whole place are wet up,
yeah.
man.
Oh, it's a wet because you hold them there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good. Me alright in here sometimes. All the TV when me used to watch, mash up, man. I see that dresser.
You didn't forget to watch, kind of electricity.
Me know, and that dresser, you see it mash up there.
This what size bed you have, Miss Brown?
Eh?
Okay. What size bed you have? You know?
That is a 3/4.
3/4?
That would be the double A.
Double?
Double bed, not big bed.
No, man, you have double. You have queen size and you have king size.
So a double she have then.
Regular.
So Miss Brown, what you don't want to make yourself comfortable?
But everything.
Like what and what?
Everything wide, So you have to be specific.
Think about it and
Me don't like to get back when if I've not part of when me lose and things like that. Like it's zinc and some cement and some. You understand?
Just to build back to comfortable.
Yes, so I'm not comfortable and 1 or 2 school book wet up in here. I remember me lose my little chicken them, they could have helped me.
Yeah.
Me lose them.
But you can't, you wouldn't want to buy back the chicken, you still can't know.
No, me don't have no way to put them.
So what kind of plan you have for them when they're ready now?
Well, when they're ready,
Yes.
me don't let them see just go back on foot, So
No, the chicken, like how you have them this and now. When you're ready to slaughter them, what you going to do with them? How you going to get them sell?
Oh,
So you don't have no fridge to put them in?
Me, but I don't know nothing big that. If I just give them yard to yard, if anybody would have take them yard to yard.
Okay, so you look the order before you start at them?
Yes, that me have to go do.
Yeah.
Some people get who want two, but then I have couple up this one, I saw him sell them now.
Yeah.
I trust them, fine, I must get paid for them.
Okay. But you better you not get paid for them more and then spoil.
That's true, man, it's true.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, Miss Brown, we pray that things will,
Yes.
begin to get normal again, soon.
Very not easy. From my little boy, not easy.
Not easy, don't it?
Yeah.
What's someone, me never see them chicken there. Are them look one, let me see.
No, you never see them, they're 6 when they so. That they have been 60 that me get out of it.
Oh, you had 60, and now you only have 6.
4 week old.
Yeah.
But they have more, they have ways to feed more when they eat it.
So, brother Zelly, what you going to do for me? You tell me still, you know? I love Fred.
Yeah, wait, but
We tell them if you're not fret, man.
we are surprised.
Oh, I'm moving the camera, so. You must steal the camera. How with them?
I come a little boy that and the other one of the Cassie.
Oh, okay. When we come back here, we see, man, I know nothing for fret about. You hear?
Don't cry. You're
Yeah, they here tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right then. So tomorrow.
Tomorrow I can look for you.
Hopefully tomorrow. Okay. All right.
You can bring one mattress, you mean, you bring it.
If we can't bring one mattress, we bring it?
Fine. Yeah, one wet up and you have to tear up it.
Oh, okay.
But right now, none of the pan at the one and none of the pan at the one. Piece of sponge the pan, you know.
All right. So we come back tomorrow. Here, Miss Brown?
Yes, dear.
You stop sitting down with the hand on your jaw.
Yes, this is Ken.
I want to fret about nothing.
Yeah, man. Everything will go all right.
Yes, brother Zelly.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, bro.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you to all our viewers, our subscribers, and thanks to the donors. God bless you richly. All right. And so with that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you very much, brother Zelly and sister.
And the donors.
Donors.
Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Oh, wow. Yes. Thank you.